Alright, we have got a Challenger in here this morning, going to be getting a Procharger kit for its winter upgrades. Customer wants a couple more ponies, so we've already done a camshaft, some other stuff in this thing, torque converter and whatnot. I believe it was a Circle D, Texas speed cam, Hellcat lifter, such and such. So I've done a 6.4 intake on this. We are now going to be adding some boost. Best thing ever. Unbox this thing, check it out, see what we got going on in here, get everything laid out, start getting the car disassembled and getting this system installed on this thing. Packing paper is what we got. Got the parts, boots. Ooh. Oh, there's the pretty part right there. Procharger. Well, we'll get all this laid out, opened up, and come back.
Nice. Get the last before. Yeah, there's 8 grand.
Here's the other 4.
All right, here we are. Making progress. Oh, that looks good. I don't know if I'm a fan of the silver, but again, it kind of flows if I leave that thing off. Hey everybody, there you go. NA to boosted. Next episode, we're going to see what kind of power she'll be laying down. Hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any more of this content. Sea Dog out.